Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CleverTap for user engagement campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with CleverTap for user engagement campaigns, start by visiting the CleverTap website. Look for the sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. After entering your details, click on the Get Started button. You may receive a verification email from CleverTap. Check your inbox for this email and click on the verification link. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to the CleverTap platform. Now, fill in your personal information, including your name and phone number. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Next, you will be asked to provide details about your company. Enter your company name and the industry it belongs to. Choose the size of your company from the available options. After filling in the company details, click on Next. You will now be prompted to set up your application. Enter the name of your app and your app's platform, such as Android or iOS. You may also have options for web or other platforms depending on your needs. Once you've filled out this information, click on Create App and now. Follow the instructions to integrate the CleverTap SDK into your app. This may include adding specific code snippets to your app's configuration files. After integration, return to your CleverTap dashboard. Here, you will find options for creating user engagement campaigns. Begin by selecting Campaigns from the menu. Choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as push notifications or in-app messages. Fill in the required details for your selected campaign type. Target your audience by segmenting users based on their behavior or preferences. Set your campaign schedule and configure any additional settings. Once you are satisfied with your campaign setup, click on Launch to activate it. You can track the performance of your campaigns through the CleverTap Analytics dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.